Today, I'll show you how to remove spam traffic in Google Analytics 4 so your reports stay clean, accurate, and actually useful for decision making. Spam traffic can really skew your data, making it harder to understand what real users are doing on your site. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in GA4 to manage and remove spam traffic filters, and you'll feel more confident about the quality of your analytics. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that has access to the property you want to work with. If you manage multiple properties, double check that you've selected the right account and property at the top of the screen so you're not changing settings in the wrong place. Once you're in the correct GA4 property, look toward the bottom left corner of the interface. You'll see a gear icon labeled Admin. Click this gear icon to open the admin settings. The admin area is where you control the configuration of your account, property, and data, so it's the right place to handle spam-related settings. Inside the admin panel, focus on the property column in the middle. Here, find the section called Data Collection and Modification. Under this section, click on Data Filters. Data filters allow you to control which data is included or excluded from your reports, and they're often used to filter out things like internal traffic or unwanted hits. In this case, we'll be working with spam traffic filters. On the Data Filters page, you'll see a list of all existing filters for this property. Look for the one labeled Spam Traffic. This is the filter that's handling spam-related data in your GA4 setup. Go ahead and click on Spam Traffic to open the detailed view for that filter. Now that you're inside the Spam Traffic filter details, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu of actions you can take on this filter. In the menu that appears, choose Delete. This action removes the spam traffic filter from your GA4 property. When you click Delete, GA4 may prompt you to confirm your choice. Since filters can affect how data is processed, confirm the deletion if you're sure this is what you want to do. Once the filter is deleted, GA4 will stop applying that specific spam traffic configuration going forward. It's important to remember that deleting a filter doesn't retroactively change historical data. It only affects data that's processed after the change. If you're managing multiple filters, take a moment to review which ones you still need and make sure you're not accidentally removing something that's critical for your reporting. At this point, you've successfully navigated to your Google Analytics 4 property, opened the admin settings, accessed data filters, selected the spam traffic filter, and deleted it using the Options menu. Your setup is now updated, and you can monitor your reports to see how this change impacts the data you're seeing. In this video, you'll learn how to remove spam traffic in Google Analytics 4, and now you've seen exactly how simple the process is when you know where to click. If you're maintaining multiple properties or working in a team, it's a good idea to document these changes so everyone understands how spam traffic is being handled. That way, your analytics stay consistent and trustworthy over time.